After 44 years in prison, Ronnie Long says he's hopeful after a federal court ruled he was denied his constitutional rights.
But after affirming he was wrongfully convicted of rape, another court has to decide whether he's innocent and can go home. The evidence is overwhelming that Ronnie Long was wrongfully convicted of rape in 1976. That is an opinion the Duke Wrongful Convictions Clinic has held since they took the case. The Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals now says Long's constitutional rights were indeed denied.
It confirms what we've said all along, that this is a profound injustice that occurred to Mr. Long that requires considerable attention by the courts. And if we're going to have confidence in our justice system in North Carolina, it needs to be corrected.
But the federal court decision doesn't yet free Long. The panel says district court must now decide his guilt or innocence. 44 years ago, Concord investigators didn't share evidence that could have freed him, including fingerprints and hair samples. The description of the suspect didn't match Long, and a lineup was manipulated so that he would be picked out. The Fourth Circuit's condemnation, strong and deliberate.
Judge Wynn speaks about that in his concurring opinion, how this is not just a product of misconduct prior to trial and at trial, that stemmed and continued through the years with deceit from the state of North Carolina. So in those circumstances, certainly justice hasn't been served here, and Mr. Long needs to be released without delay.
How soon that will be, though, not soon enough for Long, his attorneys, and family.
I spoke with Ronnie earlier today. He's hopeful as a result of this decision. And again, he feels a sense of vindication because for 44 plus years, he's been saying that he was tried through an unfair trial and that lies have been presented over the course of time.
Now, Long's attorneys have also filed a petition for his release from Alamance Correctional Institution due to the threat of COVID-19 at that facility. If you want to read that whole 125-page opinion from the appeals court, we've got it posted for you right now at CBS17.com.